Priya. I am from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Nagpur. And I am from medical background and have zero knowledge of bioinformatics before 1 week. As promised by the resource person, Kulkarni Madam, and now I can see after the 1 week attending hands-on training of the basic bioinformatic tools, a little bit I know how to use these tools and arrive at certain inferences. And thank you for the resource person as well as BDG Lifesciences for putting up such an online hands-on workshop, which is a very useful thing. And you can see many of the proof of what I did during the class every day from 8 to 10 p.m. 2 hours of well spent time in learning. Thank you for the resource person as well as the co-participants who made a facilitated learning for me to happen. Thank you once again.
Hi, this is Vijayalakshmi and I am doing PhD in genetics. I have taken 7 days bioinformatics course in BDG Lifesciences. And to say more about that, the trainer, she helped us a lot, and we were introduced with numerous number of tools and websites where we can learn more about the DNA and the protein structure, even gene level. We are able to study more about that. It is really helpful for the research study, which I'm currently doing. And thank you. Overall, it's a valuable and very informative session for us. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Shoitali Laharoy. I'm from Kolkata. Right now I'm doing research in cell biology and molecular biology from Presidency University. Recently I have done a workshop with BDG Lifesciences. The topic was basic bioinformatics. It was really a very helpful and interactive session. Previously I have little bit knowledge theoretically about bioinformatics. After doing this workshop, I got to know a lot about practical applications of bioinformatics. It will help me a lot in my future. I can apply it in my research work, and I'm really interested to do more and more workshops with BDG Life Science in future. Thank you BDG Life Science, and thank you.
Hi there. I am BM Manpreet Jivan, studying BTech Biotechnology second year in Karun Institute of Technology and Sciences. I have taken part in the 7-day workshop of bioinformatics, and it was really helpful. Even though I'm just in second year, it was very easy for me to understand how the protein synthesis with the application part of it online, and how to gather all the information like the data sets and pretty much about all this stuff. Because it was a live interaction course, any doubt immediately we could be able to ask our teacher, and it was a very friendly teaching, and I look forward to register more into these kind of live interaction courses from BDG Life Sciences. Thank you.
Hi, this is Brinda, doing my PhD and an SRF fellow in CSIR CLRI, Chennai. I attended a hands-on technical workshop in bioinformatics organized by BDG Life Sciences from 3rd to 9 August 2020, where Sharvari Kulkarni ma'am elaborated about the basics of bioinformatics, and we were given work trainings on biological databases, and different types of protein database banks were elaborated. MAPVIEWER's secondary structure predictions were also elaborated to us, in which NCBI tools, Uniplot KB, DB, PDB databases, tools such as RASMOL, PDB Viewer, PROTSCALE, Pyrex tool, Chef-Hoffman, BLAST tools were elaborated to us. Using these tools, we were given knowledge to understand how to study various proteins and study its informations, extract the FASTA sequences and predicts its secondary structure and give interpretation for the same. It really gave us knowledge to analyze the protein using the Chef-Hoffman, Pyrex 2, PROTSCALE, and with PROTSCALE we were able to study the hydrophobicity of the protein. We really enjoyed it and learned a lot. I really thank BDG Life Sciences for organizing such a fantastic workshop. The presenter was really understandable. She had patience. She was enthusiastic. I enormously appreciate her support, her tips, and her views during the exercises which she had given us. Thank you, BDG.
Hello, myself Onusri Goswami. I am pursuing my PhD degree in the Department of Biotechnology, IIT Kharagpur, West Bengal. Recently, I have participated in a hands-on workshop for 7 days. The course was Basics of Bioinformatics in BDG Lifesciences under guidance of Sharwari ma'am. About the course, it was very much helpful. The session was interesting and interactive too. And I have learnt a lot from this workshop, and hopefully I will apply this knowledge in my research field, and it was a great experience overall. I would like to thank BDG Life Sciences for this opportunity, and of course in future I would love to join any kind of workshop that will be related to my work. Hence, thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Shomojyoti Ghosh. I am a research scholar. I am doing my PhD in zoology from Vishwabharati Shantiniketan, West Bengal. Now I want to say something about BDG Life Science online course in bioinformatics. Recently I have applied for a 7-day online hands-on training certificate course in bioinformatics from BDG Life Science. The course started on 3rd August and ended on 9th August. This was a 7-day online course. Every day the course was run between 2 hours from 8 p.m. to 8:10 p.m. The course was very good. So many basics of bioinformatics I have learned from that course. Actually, I am from zoology background, so I have not so much knowledge about bioinformatics or such kind of things. So I need to learn that, but this course from BDG Life Science is really helpful. I have done so many things within these 7 days. I cannot imagine that within this short period of time how so many things are actually taught by Madam Sarvari Kulkarni. She is so interactive and very good teacher, I want to say, and she is very helpful. In fact, in every point of doubts she has made us cleared, and the total session was very good, I want to say. So I want to suggest everyone to join that course from BDG Life Science in bioinformatics, and I also think that I will also join the other future courses from BDG Life Science in bioinformatics. So finally I want to say one sentence that there are several online courses I have attended, but this time this one was best because they were so helpful. In fact, they have whatever my queries were there, I put them in the WhatsApp group. There was a WhatsApp group also, so ma'am cleared everything, and she is so helpful that she clears every doubts of everyone in every point. In fact, whenever someone was late in meeting, she repeat everything. So I am very satisfied in this course, and I also suggest everyone who are newcomers in this bioinformatics field to join this type of course from BDG Life Science. It is really helpful, and I think that this course will really help in our future research program, especially the research scholar who are from biology background like me. So thank you everyone. Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Rutuja Pendarkar. I am a third year BSc Biotechnology student from Modern College, Pune. I came across the BDG Life Sciences Bioinformatics certification course through online search, and I found it very interesting, and as I am trying to pursue my masters in computational biology, so it was very helpful for me. Our instructor was very patient and she was very interactive. she cleared every doubt which were put forth by every student and every candidate over there, and I enjoyed the overall session, and I'm looking forward to do some advanced courses in bioinformatics through BDG Lifesciences. So thank you.
Hi, my name is Aisha Shah and I am doing BSc in Bioinformatics. I joined Bioinformatics workshop conducted by BDG Lifesciences. It was a great experience. It was very interesting and informative, and I would like to recommend it to all those who are interested in this field. Thank you.
Hi, this is Smriti Mishra. I am from Siliguri, West Bengal. I am right now doing my final semesters in Masters Neuroscience from Calcutta University. I had joined this workshop from BDG Lifesciences Private Limited. That was a 7-day hands-on training workshop for bioinformatics tools and techniques. I did enjoy the workshop very much. It was very informative and very, very good. I learned a lot new things as my knowledge about bioinformatics was particularly zero. The session were good. The teacher who was appointed was very, very nice. She was very helpful, very caring, and did take each and every moment to explain us everything about the course. Thank you so much, BDG Life Science Private Limited.
My name is Anup Jani. I am currently pursuing BSc Bioinformatics course at Christ College, Rajkot, affiliated to Saurashtra University. I am currently studying this course because of my own interests in the research work which I am interested in doing, as well as publishing. This course, which I learned from BDG Lifesciences regarding beginner's level for bioinformatics, was very essential and valuable, since they taught me this course along with several other tools and other valuable information in in-depth analysis. This essentially made me realize several other important aspects of tools such as PROTSCALE, TMHMM, as well as Chow-Fastman, as well as the usage of several sequences which are derived and retrieved from RCSP PDB and visualizing them in PDB Viewer, and carrying out RMS value deduction for proteins against which we are carrying out homology determinations. This one is highly invaluable, and I am still looking forward to pursuing several more courses from BDG Life Sciences. Thank you.
Hi, I am Monisha Shamunto. I am currently pursuing my PhD degree from Vishwabharati University. I participated in the 7 days workshop conducted by BDG Life Science on basic bioinformatics tool. It was a marvelous experience. It make a naive participant like me enthusiastic enough to dive in the deep of bioinformatics. The teaching process was great. It make you understand until you can't understand anything. Sarvani Kulkarni ma'am was great. Thank you, BDG Life Science.
Myself, Srimati Shatarupa Das, the headmistress of Mangloi Radharani Girls Higher Secondary School, is pursuing my PhD research work on bioinformatics. And in this connection, I have attended a course on bioinformatics from 3rd August to 9th August under the guidance of Srimati Sharbori Kulkarni. I got enriched on so many software tools which could be very much fruitful and effective in my future research work, and I am very much thankful to Srimati Sharbori Kulkarni for providing me so many informations in this connection. Thank you.
Hello, I am Sriporna Dash. I have completed my MSc in 2016. Now I am pursuing my PhD program since 2018. And I am very much grateful to BDG Life Sciences for giving me this opportunity to participate in this workshop. For those who are very much naive like me in the vast world of bioinformatics and keep interest in the same, this workshop is very much useful for them, and it's noteworthy and really appreciating how ma'am has clarified all our doubts, not only through new approaches but also through elaborate discussions, and which is very important while we are doing this workshop in online program, and especially in this pandemic situation. And I guess I really forwarded this knowledge which I gained from this workshop in my near future. Thank you so much, Sharvari Kulkarni ma'am and BDG Life Sciences. Once again, thank you.
currently a student of second year of BSc Biotechnology at Holkar Science College, Indore. I have taken the 7-day online course offered by BDG Lifesciences on the topic Bioinformatics for Beginners. The course was a good one. The teacher who taught us was very interactive. Every day we used to get a task which made us confident of whatever we learned. So overall, this was a very good session. Thank you.
Hi everyone, good evening. This is Sandeep Ghosh. Right now I am pursuing my PhD from BeatByShahed University, Shantiniketan. Guys, recently I have attended a 7-day online workshop on bioinformatics conducted by BDG Lifesciences. The sessions were very helpful, very informative one and very interactive. And the trainer assigned to this workshop was very helpful. She answered every queries I have. And really it was a great experience. I am looking forward to attend more and more workshops with BDG. Thank you, and thank you by Discovery Group.